Are you a homeowner in Asheville, North Carolina, considering selling your property without the aid of a real estate agent? If so, you're not alone. The for sale by owner method has become increasingly popular among homeowners looking to save on hefty agent fees. However, before taking the plunge, it's essential to understand the intricacies of FSBO and its potential challenges. In this blog post, we'll delve into the world of FSBO in Asheville, North Carolina, exploring the pros, cons, and necessary steps for a successful sale. Advantages of FSBO in Asheville: saving on commission fees. By opting for the FSBO route, you can sidestep considerable realtor commissions, which typically range from 5% to 6% of the sale price. This saving could translate into thousands of dollars, depending on your property's value. Complete control. Handling the sale process personally provides you with total autonomy. You can schedule showings, set the asking price, and negotiate offers on your terms. Intimate knowledge of the property. As the homeowner, you know your property better than anyone. You can use this knowledge to your advantage when marketing your home and addressing potential buyers' inquiries. Challenges of FSBO in Asheville: time commitment. Selling a home independently requires a significant time investment. From marketing and staging to negotiating and managing legal documents, the process can be time-consuming and demanding. Limited exposure. Real estate agents have access to multiple listing services and professional networks that can help increase your property's visibility. As an independent seller, you might not have the same level of exposure, making it harder to reach potential buyers. Pricing and negotiation. Accurately pricing your home and negotiating with buyers can be challenging without professional guidance. You risk overpricing or undervaluing your property, which could lead to a prolonged sales process or financial loss. Essential steps for a successful FSBO in Asheville: research and set the right price. Investigate the local Asheville market and comparable properties to determine a competitive and accurate asking price. Prepare your home. Make necessary repairs and declutter your space. Stage your home to highlight its best features and create an inviting atmosphere. Market your property. Utilize online platforms, social media, and local advertisements to market your home. Consider investing in professional photography to showcase your property effectively. Schedule showings. Be prepared to accommodate potential buyers' schedules and host open houses to increase the chances of a successful sale. Legal documentation. Familiarize yourself with the required legal paperwork, including disclosure forms, purchase agreements, and closing documents. You may want to consult with a real estate attorney to ensure you're following North Carolina's regulations. Negotiate offers. Be prepared to negotiate with potential buyers and their agents. Evaluate offers thoroughly and respond in a timely manner. Conclusion: the FSBO process in Asheville, North Carolina, can be a viable option for homeowners seeking to save on commission fees and maintain control over the sale. However, it's crucial to weigh the advantages and challenges before embarking on this path. By thoroughly researching the local market, preparing your home, marketing effectively, and navigating negotiations and legalities, you can increase your chances of a successful FSBO experience.